people have been hugely important as emotional support, looking and searching for our son, and hopefully to end up bringing him home.
And it's not just young people that Sport Relief is helping.
We were married 59 years in 1 month when she died.
Fred buys carnations for Joyce every week, the same colour as the ones that were in her wedding bouquet in 1946.
I can feel her here all the time, but I do miss her.
Thanks to you, there is somewhere he can go to be with people who understand how he feels.
It is getting easier to be able to talk about it. It brings out all the emotion and all the feelings that you got there, and it helps.
Jamie's 12 and he was diagnosed with autism in May of 1999. He does live in quite an isolated world.
Don't give up.
For their few minutes,
they
are David Beckham and they are Steven Gerrard.
Come on!
Sport Relief is building teams and changing lives. Gregor is part of a winning team, his family. 2 years ago, your money paid for them to have a day to remember. Gregor's got a form of muscular dystrophy known as Duchenne's, a genetic condition which is only found in boys.
He has asked, where am I going to die? Is it going to be soon? I keep saying to him, well, nobody knows. We just, you know, when it happens, it'll happen. You'll know yourself when the time is right.
Every time I watch it, I do. I get a lump in my throat.
Tonight is all about reaching out your hand to someone in England, in Scotland, in Northern Ireland or in Wales who just can't make it on their own.
This is your chance to help make a difference to someone's life.
To help them get back on their feet.
To help them be a winner.
To help them face the battles ahead.
Your money is helping families face the future.
Sport Relief.
Rise to the challenge.
You'll be helping change someone else's life forever.
Call us now on 08457 910 910 and make a donation. Thank you.
Good news! In the time it's taken Jamesy Dimmock to organise his tools and Handy Hammond to dig a 6-inch hole, the Poles have already got the glass in the greenhouse. And this is my water feature. It's arrived. And it is, well, it's an exquisite piece, it really is. The only trouble is it comes with the Nissan Micra of pumps. This will only